To learn more about Dragon Tales, visit us at pbskids.org.
Emmy wished on a dragon scale, and that's what started Dragon Tales. They climbed on the backs of their dragon friends. Now the adventures never end. Dragon Tales, it's almost time for Dragon Tales. Come along, take my hand, let's all go to Dragonland.
Kellogg's Frosted Flakes, where they know that the fun of playing and learning together is more than just good. It's great!
Dragon Tales is funded in part by a grant from the Corporation for Public Broadcasting through funds from the U.S. Department of Education.
PBS Kids!
Don't miss the fun. There's more to come on WETA Kids.
I've always dreamed of swimming in the big, beautiful ocean. But first I gotta get to the water. I think I can. Oof! Whoa! I know I can. I'm sure I can. I'm absolutely positive I can. Oh, I knew I could. Look at me, I'm flying.
Stick to it.
Ask for help. Ask for help. Ask for help. Ask for help. Don't hesitate. Just ask for help.
On WETA Washington.